All right, guys. You like uncuffed sweatpants? Now I got uncuffed pants, jean pants for to wear for the summer and not. You don't have to get away from wearing your uncuffed sweats. These are like sweats, but they are just regular pants. Have nice pockets. This is acid wash. These are green, jungle green acid wash, uncuffed sweatpant or jean pants. Here's the material. Material is really nice and light. It's not heavy. It's breathable, so you can still keep that look of the uncuffed, but with pants instead of sweatpants. These are not hot, like the same really thick waistband, kind of short strings, not the ones like I just show you. These are size large. This is my size, same brand, always hooking me up. So I definitely recommend them. Check them out. Let's see them on me. See how they look. All right, so this is how they look. One pocket, so you got three pockets. These are deep pockets right here. Still have the uncuffed on the bottom. Very comfortable. These are size large. String is kind of long, like everybody's using them now. So definitely a nice look. You don't have to compromise wearing sweatpants in the summer like these kids do. But if you like the look and don't want to wear sweats, these are the ones. Nice pants, affordable, look nice, very well made. Check the brand out. Hope this video helped and thank you for watching.